Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So here I'm presenting with brand new recipe. Today I'm making this a rawa dosa with a peanut chutney. So if you like the video, then please hit that like button. So let's get started. So firstly I'm making chutney. So I've heated the pan, I've added the oil, and after that I've added some of garlic cloves in it, and I'm making them little brown in color. So as you can see now, now the color is little changed. So now I've added 5 of dry red chilies. I'm going to stir it until it becomes nice and crisp. After that I've added 1 small size chopped onion in it. And I'm going to stir it again until it becomes really little soggy. Guys, now I've added some of peanuts, raw peanuts, and I'm going to stir it until it becomes a little brown. Powder spices. So with the start, firstly I've added red chili powder, salt to taste. After that I'm adding a little bit of white sugar for the for adding sweetness in the chutney. After that I've added 1 teaspoon of dry mango powder, and also 1 tablespoon of ginger powder. Now I'm adding a pinch of hing in it, and I'm going to stir it again until all the spices, all the powder spices being cooked. So I've cooked it around for 3-4 minutes on low flame. Now I'm adding a little bit of water, and I've flame off the gas. So after that I've put it aside and cool it down, and after it cooled down I've blended it. That's it, our chutney is ready. So let's make dosa. So I'm preparing a batter for it. So I've taken 1 bowl of suji. This is a grinded suji. I've grinded it. After that I've added same quantity, 1 bowl of rice flour. After that I've added 2 spoons of maida in it. So if you're taking 1 bowl of rice flour and suji, so you have to take half bowl of maida. So this is the ratio. So I'm going to mix it. So guys, after mixing it, I've added salt as per the taste. 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, and a little bit of hing. Now I'm adding water. So for rava dosa, we are going to make very thin batter. So you have to add a lot of water in it. So guys, for this much quantity, actually I've added 2 glasses of water in it. So I've added 1 more glass also. So see, we need this consistency, very thin and very liquidy. So our dosa batter is ready. Now we are making dosa. So I've heated the pan. So now I'm adding some chopped onions on and sprinkle it all over the tawa. So after that I'm spreading batter on it. So I'm taking this kind of scoop, as you can see, and I'm going to sprinkle the batter all over the tawa. You can use your hands also. Take some batter on your hands and sprinkle it all over the tawa. So you have to do like this. To achieve this kind of texture. So now I'm adding some oil on it. Sprinkle some oil. So as you can see, now it becomes brown. So now I'm using a flat spatula. So you have to use your hands very gently and softly, because you are using a steel spatula and this is a non-stick pan. So I am very gently I'm turning it. So I've turned it, and as you can see, it's very nice in color and crispy also and crunchy also. So as you can see, my stove is in the high flame. So you also have to cook it on high flame. So as you can see, my dosa is ready, and I'm folding it, and now I'm going to serve it. So guys, my dosa is ready. I'm serving it with the chutney. So that's it for today. I hope you like the tutorial. If you do so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.